Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to take a new video on the PhD career options in the mechanical engineering abroad. So in this section we deal with the PhD options in mechanical engineering in UK, US, Australia, Canada and Germany. And then we move on to the next section which deals with the application process details. So it deals with the details of the application materials that is required for the PhD application. It also deals with the details of the interview process, then the application steps that is required for this PhD program, then how to acquire the application materials that is specifically required for the PhD program is been discussed in detail. Then we move on to the next section, that is the eligibility exam details. The IELTS, TOEFL, GRE exams have been dealt in detail in this section. So the description of this exams has been done in detailed process. Then we move on to the scholarship section. It deals with the scholarship that are available for the PhD program in different countries in this section. And the final section is the details of the visa, which includes the website for this visa for this specific countries like UK, US, Australia, Canada and Germany. Now we can start the video series. Before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Anandu Vijayan. I have done my BDS from Malabar Dental College, Kerala, India, and I have done my Masters in Dental Public Health from University of Sheffield, UK. Now we move on to the content section. First we discuss the universities by country or area. That is the universities in UK, US, Canada, Australia and Germany. It's been discussed. Then we move on to the universities details. It consists of various details like the host department or course name, host department where is your PhD being hosted, or the course name for the PhD, and the course duration. The course duration is the next section, which is higher for the US and Canadian universities and lower for the Australian and UK universities. Then the QS rankings for these universities are also being included. Then the fees for these universities are included. Sometimes the PhD program has certain fees, but other universities don't have any fees. Then the stipend section is being, most of the times the stipend section is being dealt in the scholarship section. Then the specific contact email and the website is being given for each university for contacting specifically to each university's resource person for getting the better details for this program. And the final details are being included in the accommodation details for each universities. Next section is the application steps. The steps in application include explore your options. The next step is the reviewing the requirements. The next step is the preparation of documents, and the other step is the application online. Then check your application status, and the next step is interview, and the final step is accepting offer and payment of deposits. The third section is the eligibility exam details. That is the details of the IELTS, TOEFL and GRE is being mentioned. And the fourth section is scholarships. The details of scholarships in UK, Australia and Europe is being mentioned. Then we move on to the final section, that is the visa details. The visa process general steps in UK, US, Canada, Australia and Germany is being mentioned. So these are the basic contents for this video series. So all these sections will be dealt in detail in the following slides.